Alright, now that we have all our ingredients, we're going to start putting them all together, starting with our cheese. Throw our 1.5 cups of cubed cheese right in the bottom. Then we're going to take our sour cream that's been cubed. We're going to throw that on the bottom. Next, we're going to take our can of refried beans and scoop that out into the bowl. Okay, mix it up just a little bit. Okay, add our sour cream. Okay, our vegetables that have now cooled. And finally, our taco seasoning. All right, mix these together. Mix well. And the cubed cheese is going to be a little hard to mix, but that's okay. It will melt while it's cooking. All right, next we're going to get it baking.